In this tutorial, we will show you the general layout and functionality of Smart Radiology. We will demonstrate this using our PyRads prostate lesion template. Please note that Smart Radiology is a documentation tool and does not generate reports, nor does it make medical diagnosis and therefore is not classified as a medical product. Please confirm that you have taken notice of this to commence with reporting. The designation of the top-level elements in our original templates are compliant with the International IHE Management of Radiology Report Templates recommendations, which consists of the elements procedure, clinical information, comparison, findings, and impression. By clicking on one of the light grey elements, you can select the top-level element you wish to proceed with. This field will then turn a darker shade of grey. Navigation elements are displayed in the dark grey navigation bar on the left. One or more navigation elements are part of a top-level element. In turn, one navigation element consists of multiple decision tree elements. You can find the decision elements here. Furthermore, we have a number of info boxes for you to refer to for additional information. On the right-hand side, you can see the text output that has been created using predefined sentence components. If you have no findings you would like to report, you can generate a completed report with one simple click of the field Normal Findings. You can adjust this predefined report if you have any addendums you would like to include. Further, you can either change the language settings of your report or directly translate the text output by clicking on the flags to the top of the left-hand side. You can edit the created text output at any given time, including all text format changes you wish to include by selecting the format icons to be found at the top of your report text.